Are you in need of the services of a locksmith? Do you have a key or lock-related emergency and need help in a hurry? If you're unfortunate enough to be locked out of home, whether you've lost your keys or it's broken in the door, you need a locksmith you can rely on to provide help fast, no matter what time of the day or night. A professional locksmith doesn't just get you out of a tight spot. We can also repair and service your locks and fit new high-security locks and deadbolts where needed. A professional locksmith can also advise you on the best locking system for your needs. But above all else, we help people feel safe and secure. So don't panic if you have a key-related emergency. Contact us now for complete peace of mind.